Hi, George here with another new feature in Photoshop Elements 2026. Adobe has added in a spell checker. Let's just see how that works. I'll take the type tool over here and let's just type something in. And I'll put in spelling with 2 G's. That's certainly wrong, of course. Let's make this a different color so you can see that. There we go. And up here under the edit menu, we have check spelling right there. Click on that and it brings up a little spell check dialog box. And it gives you suggestions right in here. You can see maybe you typed it wrong, maybe something else that you're trying to do. And it will give you the most likely option right here. If you are happy with that, you can just click on change. It will then change the spelling for you. Or if it's something, maybe somebody's last name or something that's not in the dictionary, you can go ahead and add this to your dictionary right down there. We'll just go ahead and accept the spelling, choose change. It changes that, and then spell check is complete. So if I had a paragraph in here, it would keep on checking the whole paragraph, and it would move on to each new word that was spelled wrong in that paragraph until I had finished the whole paragraph, and then we'd have spell check complete. So a nice tool if you do a lot of things with text. This can help make sure that you don't have any spelling errors in there. And again, it's up here under the edit menu and check spelling right there, brand new in Photoshop Elements 2026. Nice feature, not a big, huge feature. I think it can be useful for some people. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe if you haven't already done so. I do new videos all the time, and I'll see you next time.